is the what is the scene with vaccines? Despite the fact that a friend of ours has taken 2 shots, both the shots, he has still contracted COVID. Is it helpful or is it not?
Vaccines are extremely important. Uh, I'll give you a simple example. I'll just explain it in terms of other ways. You have a room of 10 people. You have given the vaccine to 2 persons amongst the 10. The amongst the other 8, two have the one has the infection. He passes on the infection to the other 8. Now, these 8 also transmit the virus to the 2 who have taken the vaccine. So the chances of somebody getting the vaccine and then getting infected is about 40%. That means because the efficacy of the vaccines is about 60% when spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart, what happens here is the chances of them getting the infection is 2 out of 5. So amongst the two who have taken the vaccine, one of them may get the infection. Okay, and this could be the person who your friend is. Now, if you have in the same room vaccinated 8 people, you'll have 2 persons left unvaccinated. The chance of the two amongst the two having the infection is fairly low. Obviously, the ones who have been vaccinated would not have the infection. Okay, so once you reach, this is called herd immunity. So what happens is once you reach the level of herd immunity, the propagation of infection will stop. Now what is happening is we have only selectively vaccinated the population. We have vaccinated less than 1% of our population, if I'm not mistaken, right now. Once we reach the magic numbers, that's about 60, 70, 80%. That's when we will see complete stop of the propagation of the coronavirus infection, the COVID virus infection.
And that is perhaps going to take at least a year from now.
No, not really. I mean, with the way the government is investing monies, the way private sector is investing money, I don't think that day is very far when we all would be vaccinated. A lot of politics have been made around COVID vaccine right now, and I think we should all rather start encouraging the people who are doing their job well instead of criticizing the government and criticizing um, the vaccine makers. We would rather be helping them in boosting up their manufacturing capabilities. Every time we speak about costs, we are actually disincentivizing them into investing more money to manufacture more vaccines, to make bigger plants. Everything costs money. What we want is we want the cheapest, but we want it at a time when we want it. That doesn't work.